Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to use one hand mode in Infinix Hot 11s smartphone. So this is a very useful method if you want to use with one hand. So you need, first of all, you need to open quick panel, then click one hand option. Here you can find this. So this is the option called one hand. You need to click that. Now the phone entered to the one hand, so you can use the phone with your one hand. So if you want to use with the left hand, you need to click the left icon. So it the mode is come to the left. If you want to enter to the full screen mode, you need to click the X option. It will automatically enter to the full screen mode. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.